In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete your LegalZoom account. Whether you're looking to close your account because you no longer need their services or for any other reason, I'll guide you through the process step by step, ensuring it's as straightforward as possible. First, let's start by logging into your LegalZoom account. You'll want to make sure you're on your LegalZoom homepage. This is your dashboard where you can see all your activities, documents, and services with LegalZoom. Once you're there, you'll notice a help icon, which looks like a question mark, located in the top right corner of the page. Go ahead and click on that. This icon is your gateway to accessing various support options provided by LegalZoom. Now, an important note to keep in mind is that deleting your LegalZoom account does not automatically cancel any active subscriptions or business services you might have with them. These subscriptions operate independently, so you'll need to address them separately if you wish to cancel those as well. LegalZoom's support team is the only entity capable of fully deleting your account, so it's crucial to reach out to them for assistance in this matter. Once you've clicked on the help icon, you should look for a way to contact support. Typically, this will be under a Contact Us or Support section. You may be presented with multiple options such as email, live chat, or phone support. Choose the method that you're most comfortable with. If you're looking for a quick response, live chat or a phone call might be your best bet. However, if you prefer written communication, sending an email works just as well. When you get in touch with a support representative, clearly state your intention to delete your account. They might ask for some verification details to confirm your identity, which is a standard procedure to ensure the security of your account. Be prepared to provide any necessary information they might request. It's also a good idea to inquire about any specific steps you might need to take before your account can be deleted, especially if you have active subscriptions or pending services. The support team should guide you through any additional processes that need to be completed. Once everything is confirmed, the support representative will initiate the deletion process for your account. They might inform you about the time frame within which this action will be completed, so be sure to take note of that. And there you have it. By following these steps, you should be able to successfully delete your LegalZoom account. Remember, if you have any questions or run into any issues, LegalZoom's support team is there to help you out. Thank you for watching, and I hope this tutorial was helpful for you.